Hey there, today we're going to do some spark plug swaps on this Titan. So if you're watching this, I hope you already know how many you need and location of the plugs. They're coil-on plugs. So we got 1, 2, 3, and then one back there where my finger is, one more back there on this side, down in here. There's 2 there, 2 more back there. The back ones are hard to reach. So today we're going to be using the OEM plugs, the ones recommended in the owner's manual, and UK laser Iridium, good for 100,000 miles. So get those in there. You're going to need 10mm to remove the coils. Right in the center of your video there. There's a coil. And you're going to need a spark plug wrench, extension and swivel for the back ones, and a torque wrench set to 18 foot-pounds. Now, I'm not going to show you them all. I'm going to show you an easy one and a hard one, and you can fill in the blanks. So here's a quick trivia question for you. Which Titans did not come with 8 spark plugs? Put your answer in the comments below. So one more thing, if you've got a lifted truck or you're short, you're going to need something to stand on. To reach the back ones, you're definitely going to need something to stand on. So I'm just on the 10 mil bolt on the coil here. Let's use our swivel. The wiring harness in the way. So just a tip to keep your socket attached to your extension, just give it a little bit of tape. If you are using a swivel, use it after the extension, not at the socket. Go in there, find your spark plug. The socket, spark plug socket I'm using, this one is very tight, so it holds the spark plug very well. That's the one I like to use for removing the plugs. I also have one that is loose, which is better for installing them. So I can pull the extension and socket back out, and it will leave the plug behind and come back out easier. There we go, it's coming now. There we go, there's our plug. One out. Let's get one ready to put back in. So once it's snug, take your torque wrench to 18 foot-pounds or 216 inch-pounds. Okay. Sure you didn't get any dirt on this. Slides over top. Grab our bolts for that. Careful not to drop it. Now these are just in plastic. They don't need to be too tight. Oops, lost my socket. One down, 7 to go. Okay, for the next one I went for challenge and I went for this one at the back. So overall, this isn't too bad of a job. I mean, the back ones are a pain in the ass, but can be done at home with not too much tools required. Before I do any more, I might hit them all of the coil bolts with some penetrating oil. They were kind of stuck. I had to give them a good break to get them moving. I'm just gonna continue on. Get this second plug back in. Okay, we're snug. Now I'll get the torque wrench. tight. So we're taking the extensions out. And off. Coil. Looks like I dropped a little bit of debris on the coil from just knocking dirt loose in there, so I'm gonna wipe that off. Now our bolt. Mil. Swivel. Extension. Again, these don't need to be too tight. No, they gotta be snug. All right, that's 2 done. 6 more to go. I'm not gonna do any more. Do the rest off camera, but you get the idea. Back ones are tricky, the front ones are pretty simple. Please subscribe to my channel. I've got more videos coming up. I've got a rear sway bar to install. I've also got, what else did I buy? New taillights and a new third brake light. So subscribe, hit the bell so you get notifications of new videos. Please give this a thumbs up as well. Thanks for watching. Oh, frag. Oops, lost my socket. 1 down, 7 to go. Okay, for the next one I went for challenge, and I went for this one at the back. And it's kind of hard to get on that nut. Oh, fuck off.